Hello everyone, in this video I will solve a problem on Python. So you can see that I already uh, created a problem that is write a function in Python that prints hello world when called. So to do that you need to open VS Code. So go to the VS Code. You can do it by other tools also. So I already created a program, so I need to delete it. So now I will run that. Let me check it again, the problem. So write a function. Okay, so you need to though it is function, so I have to write div, then I will write call and round bracket, so then print with inverted comma I will write hello, then I need to just write div and round bracket. So now I'll run the code. You can see the output is already showing hello, so my code is right. So this is the way you can solve this problem. So this is for today. Keep watching my videos on Python.